Gsap versus Anime.js. Which animation platform is better? In the world of web development, animation plays a key role in enhancing user experience and engagement. Today we're comparing two popular animation libraries, Gsap and Anime.js. Both offer powerful tools, but which one should you choose for your next project? Let's find out. For an overview, Gsap is a professional-grade animation library used by developers worldwide, known for its speed, flexibility, and ease of use. It allows for complex animations across CSS, JavaScript, SVG, and Canvas elements. Now for Anime.js, it's a lightweight JavaScript library focused on creating fast, smooth animations with a simple API. While it's not as feature-packed as Gsap, Anime.js is perfect for straightforward animations and is popular among developers looking for simplicity and efficiency. For key features, Gsap offers advanced features like timeline control, easing functions, and the ability to animate complex properties like CSS, SVG, and Canvas. It's widely recognized for its smooth performance, even in complex animations. While Anime.js, on the other hand, is highly lightweight and intuitive. It supports CSS, SVG, and DOM attributes and JavaScript objects, offering easy-to-use syntax for creating animations. Anime.js shines in scenarios where you want to create stunning animations with minimal setup and code. Now, Gsap is known for its top-tier performance and Anime.js is fast, but it might struggle with more complicated animations. For ease of use, Gsap requires more setup and a deeper understanding of its API. While Anime.js is incredibly beginner-friendly, its API is simple and doesn't require a lot of boilerplate code to get started. For pricing, Gsap offers a free version for basic use, and Anime.js is entirely free and open source. So choose Gsap if you need advanced high-performance animations, especially for larger scale projects, and opt for Anime.js if you need a lightweight, fast, and easy-to-use solution for simple animations that don't require the complexity of Gsap. Thanks for watching.